Thank you, Mega Look, for sponsoring this video. I have on the unit. We've been melting for about 20 minutes. Ooh, look y'all. Look at that. So good. Look at these curls. So pretty, and this is 30 inches long. So I already know how I want to style it because today I'm wearing a blazer. So I kind of want my hair to be going back, but these curls, oh, they're so pretty. So I wish I had like a little headband, and that's how I would wear it and show off my edges because they pluck this unit so well. But we're gonna go ahead and part it down the middle so I can show y'all the parting. I did put some foundation in the inside of the unit. I really want a headband. I had a really pretty little black one, but I don't know where it is. Knowing me, I probably gave it away. I'm gonna just put some wax on the front just so we can kind of stay in place. And this unit is so pretty, y'all. It's so long. How long it is? Can y'all see that? So long. All right, I'm gonna take a hot comb and we're just gonna comb the front of it because I don't want to mess up these curls because they're so pretty. Let's see if I can get this to look like I want to. I don't have any product on it because for me, there's really no need, the way that I want to wear it, there's really no need for any product. And y'all know when I have these type of curls, I like the way that they look without the product. I think I'm gonna go with no part. I think it'll look better. Cause I'm gonna find a headband. I cannot get over how good this unit is plucked. It just looks so natural. I love it. Let me just flatten this part a little bit at the top. Oop. At the top. And we're gonna wear this all back and let these beautiful curls shine through. I'm just gonna wear my Louis Vuitton scarf. And I'm just gonna tie it around like this. I kind of want it to scrunch up. And then, look at these curls, y'all. So pretty. So pretty. Because I want it to be, I'm gonna tuck this just a little bit that is it, y'all. How cute. It turned out just how I thought it would. Really, really cute. These curls are everything. Let me show y'all up close so y'all can see how pretty these curls look. Gorgeous. I love this. This is gonna look so cute with my little outfit today. They really look like wand curls, but you didn't have to do all the work, because y'all know how long wand curls take. If you want to get a look like this, doing that wand takes forever. But I love the way that the hair turned out. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Hey y'all, so my outfit plans changed because I wanted to wear a blazer, but when I wear some of my blazers sometimes, because it's not that cold outside, I like to have those little, what are those little tank tops, you know, with like the spaghetti strap up under my blazer. I don't have any. I must have got rid of all of them, so I need to go get some more of those. So I just put on this long sleeve shirt. This is from H&M. What is this neckline called? Sweetheart neckline, I think. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really cute. And then I just have on these little black jeans right here. These are the ones that I wore to the Beyonce concert. They're so comfortable. They fit real baggy too. I didn't realize how baggy they were. I think I got these from TJ Maxx, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm just wearing my little YSL bag. That's what I'm doing. Let's go to this restaurant. Guys, we're here. It's so cute in here. It's just like a little corner in the food court. The music is on, so I'm gonna try to go really quick and show y'all around. Red Grill Bistro. I will never come back here again. Today is, what's today? Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday, and we are on our way to another restaurant. Just really quick though, to get something to go, but we have to actually sit in there to get the portion size that we're looking for, because this is going to be part of Tony's 12th Christmas gifts. Today is some wasabi. That is his favorite restaurant. If you guys have been following me for a while, y'all know my baby love wasabi. I could take him to wasabi, but he has football training today. Well, workout, whatever they call it, I be forgetting. Conditioning or whatever, I don't know. And so by the time he get out of school, he's really tired. So I decided to just, you better not get over here. I decided to surprise him with that. So we're gonna go pick it up. The little restaurant that we went to last night, Red Grill Bistro. We really went for the cocktails, the Christmas cocktails. We have some really good food reviewers here in Jacksonville. We went, like I said, the Christmas cocktails was good, but the food, the seafood, we just randomly decided to get some seafood because it was there really. And they seasoned that stuff with butter and hot sauce. Like, it was no seasoning, no obey, no none of that. It was just butter and hot sauce. It was food, okay? Overpriced food, Lori, okay? So like I said, the Christmas cocktails are good. It's a cute little Christmassy vibe if you guys are looking for that. But as far as the food, girl, eat before you go. The other restaurant that we went to that was in the mall,
20 out of 10.
It was really good, y'all. It was really, really good. I don't know if they changed their menu or what, because I have heard mixed reviews on it. But they've been around for a little minute. And she did say that some stuff they no longer served. But it was really good. Like, the food was seasoned really well. That red snapper was so good. Even the bone was seasoned. Like, it was so good. The devil crab and the snapper was my favorite. My camera wasn't really picking up the quality of the food, like the colors and things like that, because I was recording on my Osmo. But the macaroni and cheese balls, it had like crab and lobster on the inside. It was really good. I would go again and again and again. It was delicious. They had some other stuff because we wanted to try everything. Ryan got the chicken and waffles. That didn't really look too good to me, so we really forgot that he had that over there to share with us because we was eating on everything else. But everything was really good.
Crab cornbread.
Yeah, Kalila really liked the crab cornbread. I wasn't in the mood for the cornbread, but I wanted to get it just to try it. And they have like a dipping sauce that comes with most of the dishes, and the sauce is really, really good. So I would recommend if you guys are in Jacksonville. But right now we're going to Wasabi. Y'all know that's my favorite hibachi spot. They closed my spot down for a while, but they back. That is my favorite spot to get the double shrimp roll. If you guys are in Jacksonville and you ever come to Wasabi, they have really good hibachi. It's better than Benihana's. I said what I said. It's better than Benihana's. They give you so much food. So we're going to sit at the grill, because when you sit at the grill, you get a bigger portion versus just going in and getting something to go. It's like a really small portion. So we'll see you guys in a few.